Is search privacy not working on the Pinterest Lite app? If your search privacy settings aren't being saved, your searches remain visible, or you can't manage your search privacy preferences. In this video, I will show you how to fix search privacy on Pinterest Lite app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Pinterest Lite app. Then in this page of Pinterest app Lite, you will go to profile, you will enter to profile. Then here in this page, you will go to this window, you will move to this sign of settings. Then here in this page of settings, you will go to profile visibility, you will enter, and here you will find search privacy, so you will tap in this sign of search privacy. So here, as you see, private, make your profile private, and then we click on this sign to enable it. So please don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.